Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite channel, Studlins, which adds excellence to your learning.
Hello everyone, today we are going to delve into the world of Python programming and explore why it holds immense importance. Python is not just a programming language, it's a versatile tool that can transform the way you solve problems and create solutions. Let's dive into the significance of Python. Simplicity and readability. Python is known for its simplicity and readability. Its clean syntax and straightforward structure make it incredibly easy to learn and understand. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer, Python's simplicity allows you to quickly translate your ideas into working code. It fosters efficient collaboration and helps you focus on problem solving rather than getting lost in complex syntax. Wide-ranging applications. Python is a versatile language that finds applications across multiple domains. It is extensively used in the web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, machine learning, scientific computing, and more. Its vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks such as Django, NumPy, TensorFlow, and Pandas empowers you to tackle a wide range of projects. By learning Python, you equip yourself with a skill set that is high demand in today's technology-driven world. Community and support. Python boasts a vibrant and supportive community. It is a language that people love to work with, and programmers around the world actively contribute to its development and improvement. The Python community provides extensive documentation, tutorials, forums, and open source libraries. It is a collaborative environment where you can seek guidance, share your knowledge, and participate in exciting projects. Learning Python means becoming a part of this inclusive and supportive network. Career opportunities. The demand for Python skills in the job market is skyrocketing. Companies of all sizes, from startups to tech giants, are seeking Python developers and data scientists. Python's versatility and widespread use make it an invaluable asset in various industries. Whether you aspire to become a software engineer, data analyst, or AI specialist, Python opens doors to rewarding and lucrative career paths. Rapid prototyping and time efficiency. Python's simplicity and vast library support enables rapid prototyping and development. With Python, you can quickly transform your ideas into functional prototypes and iterate on them efficiently. It is a high-level abstractions and extensive libraries allows you to focus on solving the problems at hand rather than dealing with low-level implementation details. Python's efficiency in both development time and execution speed makes it an ideal choice for many projects. This whole certification is divided into modules where we will be covering from basics to advanced level of the Python programming concept like variable declaration, conditional statements, OOPS concept and their pillars, and some of the important modules of Python programming like NumPy, Panda, and many more. This certification will be closed after applying concepts learned in making a project. So my friends, Python is more than just a programming language. It is a powerful tool that empowers you to bring your ideas to life regardless of the field you are in. With its simplicity, wide-ranging applications, strong community, and abundant career opportunities, learning Python is a gateway to endless possibilities. Embrace the power of Python and embark on a journey of innovation and problem solving.